Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today we're diving deep into this recent Bitcoin crash and what might be behind this massive shakeup in the crypto market. And look, if you're into crypto, you don't want to miss this, and you need to make sure you're subscribed because I am researching this information. I am making call outs on the Twitter. I am consistently posting, and I want to make sure you guys get the information as fast as I get it, as I have been in the crypto market for the past 8 years, working with a lot of big people within the industry. A couple weeks ago, I had put it on my Twitter. You guys can see it's listed on there. I had predicted a light crash like this, and it isn't even light. It became a big one. We had a lot of sell pressure at the very top, and you could see that the top had lower highs. Now remember, if it's a lower high from the previous high, it usually signifies that the market has lost steam, and sooner than later we're going to have a significant sell-off. Now look, when large amounts of Bitcoin are sold off quickly, it causes the price to drop extremely fast. And this is because liquidations start happening, and basically in a market, if you're in a position and you get liquidated, let's say you're in a long and you get liquidated, then there is sell pressure to close out that long. So it basically creates a spiraling effect, and that could be a very, very big problem, kind of like you can see in the market right now. But that's not all, you guys. Right now in recent news, we've got that the Bank of Japan's recent decision to raise its benchmark interest rates also is playing a giant critical role in this problem. Now, higher interest rates can lead to a stronger yen, yes, but that would make investors less likely to invest in risky assets like Bitcoin, as some people say. But hold on, there's also more to this story. Some also believe that the crash could be a strategic move by the Democrats to undermine Donald Trump's political campaign. And this is important because he is the very first presidential candidate to speak at the Bitcoin conference. And he had just did it. I got a live. You guys can see what he said down there. I was there in person. Very, very interesting. Now, if the Democrats manage to crash the crypto market in this narrative, it could technically derail Trump's crypto agenda. And that's where things get really interesting. And it's kind of interesting that it just occurred after the event, right? Now, last week, Trump had made some extremely bold statements saying that Bitcoin would rally like never before if he wins the upcoming election. Now, he even promised us to fire the current Securities and Exchange Commissioner Chair, Mr. Gary Gensler.
On day one, I will fire Gary Gensler.
Everybody wants him fired. Now, who has been known for his tough stance on cryptocurrencies, which is why so many people want him gone. Now, what does all of these ideas, conspiracies, logic mean for the future of Bitcoin and the broader crypto market? Right now, only time is going to tell us. But here's one thing for sure. It's always going to be an exciting ride. I was here in the 2017 crash, and I saw that bad boy go from 90K in just a couple of months down to 3,300 with some of the most depressing liquidating candles I had ever had while I was trading back then. Now I understand volatility. I understand how to trade. I understand how to use leverage. It took a long time. It was not a day lesson. It was not a week lesson. It was not a month-long lesson. It was a years long of lessons. So don't be down on yourself if you're new to the industry and trying to get used to it. Just be very, very risk logical and do not take risk on more than you are afraid to lose. I also do have the 10 commandments of crypto trading because I am a DeFi trader listed. So do read through them. That's why I built the channel. I'm hoping it shows you value and gets you to a better position using the crypto market. As I am still a long-term believer in the crypto world, I also do believe that these crashes are imminent and they need to happen. We needed a crash like this so that Bitcoin and the rest of the industry could shake out the non-holders. But also, you guys, this is not a very isolated crash just towards the crypto market. We know that the stock market has also had a giant crash right now. And you guys, this was bound to happen. It's been 4 years of looming. It's going to be a recession. It's going to be a recession. Then we had a mini recession. Things like this have to happen for positivity to come. Just be patient. Make sure you don't put more that you're willing to lose. Just be smart about it. And if you guys need any help, there's links below. I've got my trading link below to Margex. You can short the market on there using leverage. There's so many ways to use it to your advantage. Just make sure you keep up with the crypto news, follow channels, click that subscribe button, and keep learning the new information, as this market's going to keep changing and it's going to keep moving like a wave, and you just don't want to miss the wave when it does occur correctly. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.